EquatIO is a Chrome extension that makes it easy to create digital STEM content in Google apps like Slides, Sheets, and Drawings. To start using EquatIO in Google Slides, click on the EquatIO extension in the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. To easily type expressions, equations, or formulas, open up the Equation Editor. You can type your math and even use prediction to create things like operators, exponents, fractions, and more. When you're finished writing, just click the Insert Math button to put it right into a Google slide. The Latex Editor is perfect for advanced users who want to use LaTeX to create math expressions. The Handwriting Recognition tool allows you to handwrite your math, which is great for touchscreen devices or even just writing with your mouse. Speech input allows you to dictate math through your microphone and have it written out for you.
Y equals 4x plus 8.
If you want to edit some math you've already created, just select the math and click the Edit Math button to pull it back into EquatIO. Under the Settings menu, you can customize your prediction in options, toggle on or off input methods, send feedback to our developers, or try EquatIO MathSpace. EquatIO can also be used to insert math using all of these methods in Google Sheets and Google Drawings. X equals 30 degrees. To learn more about EquatIO, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit the link below.